Welcome to ASL World. What we have here is a cat tree. I built this 2 years ago. I've noticed with other cats that someone gave us, they didn't use it much, but the problem is they can't enter here. So it's a little bit too big. So we have to make a hole a little bit smaller because the dogs always try to get in and investigate and eat poop. So it's not really good for them. So I'm going to make another way for both of them, to get in, like a switchback. So we both can go in and use the bathroom, and it prevents the dogs from going in. Also, it gives me the ability to open up the side area to clean up the litter, and then replace it with new, and then put it back in and close the hatch. Here's one of them now. She is very old, 16 years old. And another one is somewhere else. She's about 2. Oh, sorry. No, 4 years old. Wow, time goes fast. So on my next video, I will be there in the garage, my work shop, wood shop / garage, and I'll have this moved over there, and I'll take off and fix, and I'll explain what I'm doing. Hopefully it'll help you maybe be creative about your own house. Maybe you're interested in making your own cat tree. So I'm here in my garage. It's really a workshop. You see here the wood, it's bare, it's exposed. This part you don't see because it's up on the wall. It's kind of hidden. That's kind of what people see, this side. So I'm going to go behind here. And I plan on taking off some carpet here and try to keep some, do my best, really just do as much as I can. This carpet doesn't match this one, so I'm not sure I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to, maybe something else, I'm not sure. So I will add something here so the cats can walk around like this and enter in from the side, and then they'll come back out the same way. I'll close the hole here so there's no entrance, and I'll still have the side hatch. I just got to fix it. It's broken, so some areas need to be fixed. I'll do my best to staple them, so wish me luck. So I went ahead and cut the wood, and I set it up, and you'll see I have 9 2x4s cut 20 1/4 of an inch. And also I have here some boards a little bit big. I plan on cutting them at an angle here, about 45 degrees angle. So anyways, my idea is that both cats would walk through the side, around, access the back to the litter. So it's already going to be closed up here. This is going to be closed off. And this is where the side hatch is. The cat's going to walk in through the front, through the side, out the back. and I'll have a time lapse going, and you'll see me doing some stuff. When I'm done, I'll show you what the results are. So hopefully you enjoyed the time lapse. It's fast for sure. For me, it took some time. You'll see I added this and this. And they're not going to be able to see this. People are not going to be able to see the back because the wall's going to be there. So they're going to cover that part. The cat, again, will walk through the front, through the side, and the back, and access it in the back to the bathroom. If my wife and I want to clean, we're going to pick up the side hatch. It's pretty simple. I've been lucky. I found some old carpet from this, and there's barely any left. You can see here. Not much. Lucky. So that's all I have. I hope you enjoyed the time seeing what I did, and you can do it yourself as well. So anyways, thank you for coming to our ASL world. Subscribe, hit the bell, comment below, like, and share. Thank you for watching.